Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme Narzo 80 Lite connected without internet. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your router. It will fix your minor glitches. After restart your router, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can turn off your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update. Now scroll down and click on backup and reset, and then again click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it. Now here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.